Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you if there are earbuds inside of TCL Plex box. Here's the TCL Plex box and let's open it to see if there is earbuds inside. Here's the greeting card, then underneath there's the phone, and here is an accessory box, SIM card tray opener, a plastic case, safety and warranty information and user guide. Then underneath you get a charging cable and a charging brick, but not earphones, so there's no earphones inside of the box. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.